I want to show you guys what I've been working on. So we all got fruit flies with these little lids. For my little thing here, you want to cut out a nice circle, and you should do the second airflow line. So take this cap, push over that, take this nut, tie it down top, and tighten it down, and put your top on. Simple as that. I'll show you how it works. So with our new lid installed on our fruit fly container, we're going to find our jumping spider right here. We're just going to easily open up our door. Now this has not been refrigerated, it's still room temperature. Tap my top here, quickly open the lid, and we should be able to knock off some fruit flies right into the enclosure. Give it a second to walk back up. Here we go. That's straight up. Now before you cap on, give it a tip again. Just like that. Get no escapees. And you can see the fruit flies are inside our hungry jumping spider. If you're interested in this, I'll put the link down below. You can go to my ThinkerCAD and download it and print yourself. So that, later.